In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Microsoft Planner date format. Microsoft Planner does not include its own setting to switch date formats, like changing from month-day to day-month. Instead, Planner inherits the date format from your Microsoft 365 account preferences, and sometimes from your browser or Microsoft Teams language settings. So the fix is to update your language and regional format in your account, then let Planner refresh with those changes. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to your project management plan. Once you are on the Planner page where you normally view your tasks, look near the top of the screen for the option related to settings or language. In many setups, this appears as a small highlighted area or link that takes you to language options. Click that highlighted area and then select the option that says Change Your Language. This will take you out of Planner and into your Microsoft account settings page, where language and region preferences are managed. On the language settings page, find and click Regional Format. This is the key area, because the regional format controls how dates are displayed across Microsoft 365 services, including Planner. When you open Regional Format, you will typically see options for region, date and time formatting, and time zone. Next, locate the time zone section and click the current time zone entry. In the example shown, the time zone option appears as something like UTC plus 0800 Taipei. Choose the time zone and regional settings that match your location and preferred format. This is important because the regional selection and time zone often work together to determine whether dates appear in formats like DDMM or MMDD. After you select the correct regional format and time zone, give the system a moment to apply the change. Then go back to Microsoft Planner and refresh the page. If you use Planner inside Microsoft Teams, it can also help to refresh Teams or sign out and sign back in so the new format is picked up everywhere. Once the page reloads, check a task due date to confirm the new date format is displaying as expected. And that is all there is to it.